Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I am Darren, and today we're going to do something a little bit different, a little bit special. I got here the brand new Z Grills 7002C2E, which is their Wi-Fi based pellet grill. But we're also going to talk about something amazing that Z Grills is doing, which is their reward crowdfunding program, where you can get a brand new grill like this every 5 years, up to 10 of them, which is crazy. I've never heard anybody doing this before. But we're gonna check it out, and I'm gonna show you everything about that reward crowdfunding. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, get it put together. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from Fire and Water.
Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is get this thing out of the box. Take my handy dandy box cutter here. Open it up. Make sure you open it the proper way so that all the things that are supposed to be on top are on top, not on the bottom. Just makes it easier because usually the instructions and all that are right on top here. So alright, so first of all, it's packaged really well. It's got plenty of styrofoam and extra thick cardboard in here. We're going to take these pieces out, and I will get right back with you guys. I don't want to bore you with all this, just taking everything out of the box stuff, but thick styrofoam all around inside here, covering the lid and all that. So let me get this out of the box and I'll be right back. Pro tip guys, when you're unboxing one of these grills, best to just take one of the sides off. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to get the main chamber out, which usually contains all the other parts that you need, so it's usually a little heavy. But if you remove the front or the back of the box, it's going to make it a lot easier for you to get everything out. Here you go guys, here's what it looks like out of the box. Still packaged up to most for the parts that need to be installed and all that, but this is what it looks like once you get everything out of the box. So I'm not going to take the time to video me installing this or putting it all together, because I usually, that would be a NC-17 video with a lot of foul language, no matter what kind of grill it is. So we're going to take a look after I get it all and put together and ready to go, just so you can see. I just wanted to show you what it looked like with all the parts out of the box, getting ready to put together. Alright, like I said, it came with everything you need, including the tools. It comes with a Phillips head screwdriver, a couple different size wrenches, and all your nuts and bolts and all that washers are all labeled very easily to put together. The manual to put it together was very easily to follow. It took me literally about an hour to put it all together. It also comes with 2 food probes, plus the temperature of the grill probe that's installed inside the chamber. Also came with 2 bags of pellets supplied by Z Grills, which is great. It gets you started, and pretty much it can take any kind of pellets as long as they are not special, any kind of special pellets. This is what it looked like after I got everything kind of unwrapped out of the box. It may look a little intimidating, but really it was so easy to put together because of the instruction manual and all that. And it was really easy to set up the Wi-Fi with the Wi-Fi instruction manual. It had pictures and everything to walk you through. This is what it looked like after I got it all set up. Really ready to go. And it came with those gloves as well. So really easy to put together. I don't think anybody will have a problem doing it whatsoever. Alright, I just want to tell you just how easy this thing was to put together. Only took me maybe about an hour to do that. Really, everything was labeled really well. Had all the tools and all the parts that you needed. down to the exact last nut and bolt. The instructions were very easy to follow. They weren't, written in any kind of different language like some of these grills can be since they come from China. But like I said, it was very easy to put together. I did set up the Wi-Fi already, and I'm not going to walk you through how to do it because it was really very easy. If you follow the instructions here in the manual, it has pictures, walks you through everything. And it really took me about 3 minutes to get this thing set up. Right now I got it burning in to get all the oils and stuff that are on there from shipping. And then we're going to do some cooks on it. So far, really like the way it was packed, the way everything was laid out to be put together. All the parts were there, all the tools that you need, all the exact screws were all labeled just exactly the way you needed to do it. So I would really highly recommend checking this grill out. It's not overly huge, so it works really well on a smaller patio. Definitely simple to use because of the Wi-Fi. It does have recipes and all that in there, like I said. But guys, this is really your basic overall great pellet smoker grill. And so far, like I said, as far as going by the ease of setting it up, the hopper is enough for one 20-pound bag or 18-pound bag of pellets, and it does come with 2 bags of pellets to get you going. I do want to delve into the app a little bit, guys, because it was super simple to set this up and to get the grill to hook up to it. It does come with lots of recipes in here as well. The only thing I really didn't care for is it does have this ad pop-up thing that kind of caught me off guard. I think I pressed one time and I couldn't get out of the ad. So just got to be careful about that. When you go into the recipe section, it does have an ad popper that pops up there. If you can see, there it is again. But I'm not quite sure why they have that set up like that. But you can get out of it. It does have, like I said, plenty of recipes in here and videos that you can check out that they've got on YouTube. But easy to set up, easy to control the temperatures, easy to monitor. You can also do it from the grill itself by pressing on the knob and cycling through each of the thermometers. You got 2 food probes, like I said, and 1 grill probe that will control the temperature. So I really highly recommend using the app on this, just for the fact that you'll be able to monitor this from inside your house and also be able to monitor the temperature of the food, which is really important so you don't overcook your food. Now I want to talk about the reward crowdfunding deal that I told you about earlier. I don't think I've ever seen any company, especially a pellet grill company, do this. You purchase your Z Grill right now for $777. They're going to guarantee you up to 10 more grills, one every 5 years, to replace your grill. So it's unbelievable. Never seen anything like it before. But Z Grills has been in business for a long time, so I guess they know what they're doing on this, and they know they're going to get you guys hooked. But make sure you check out the Z Grills website for details. But for $777, you can get a really good Wi-Fi based pellet grill, and every 5 years after, for 10 times, you can get a brand new pellet grill. It's amazing. I've never seen it before. I think Z Grills is crazy for doing something like this, but they must know what they're doing, and they love their product. So check it out on their website. All right, guys, I just did my first burn-in on the 7002C2E from Z Grills. I set the Wi-Fi up. Like I said, the Wi-Fi was very easy to set up. If you follow the instructions on the pamphlet that comes with it, it walks you through it. It's got pictures and everything. It's super, super easy. This grill comes with locking casters, 2 locking casters here on one side, and then of course regular big wheels here on the other side. It does have a handle that makes it easy to push this thing around. If you store your grill in the garage and bring it out, you know, those big wheels are really come in handy when you're going over the grass or rocks or what have you. It's got an adjustable smokestack here, so you can, if you're smoking and you want to have more smoke in the chamber, you just tighten down the top of your smokestack. If you want to open it up, if you're grilling hotter, the controls here, you need to use the Wi-Fi, so you can use the controls here on the hopper. You can adjust it. You can pick either the internal temperature or one of these two food probes to pick the temperature of what you want. So if you want to monitor your temperature for the food, you can just by pressing this button once, it'll highlight and flash on what probe it's actually going to measure. So if you're doing the food probes, they'll flash and you can adjust the temperature. Press it again, it'll go to the next one. Press it again, it'll go to the grill heat monitor, so you can adjust the temperature what you want to set it to. Super easy. It's got a feed button, so when you first initially set it up, or if you run out of pellets and clean it out, you want to feed those pellets into the burn pot when you so that they can start getting on fire right away, burning right away. Super easy to use. Really, when I putting it together, I was very impressed with how easy it was. Like I said, this hopper will fit a full bag of pellets with room to spare. Really, that's about it, guys. I mean, it's a super easy, super simple. The Wi-Fi setup makes this thing perfect to monitor from anywhere. It's very sturdy. The lid's very heavy. So far, like I said, I've just burned it in. I haven't cooked on it yet. I'll do some videos on cooking on this thing, but I'm very surprised on how fast it got up to the temperature I was wanting. Right now it's in shutdown mode, so it's making sure it burns all those pellets that are in the burn pot before it shuts everything down. So really, guys, super easy to put together. Really like this grill so far. Comes up the temp super fast, and like I said, just follow the videos that are going to come on this. I'm going to do some cooks on it, so we can make sure this thing is as good as I say it is. So check it out, Z Grills. Check out their rewards crowdfunding program. I mean, you can't beat it. Really, guys, thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook. Watch out for more of these videos on the Z Grills. And that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.